you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Yes, you are.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll start with Radhaji again. I don't know whether since it's recorded. Now Radhaji. We were coming back to Radhaji. She is Brahma Vidya and not Prakriti. Prakriti Purush is the two divisions we all know, nature and Brahman. When they join together, Leela happens. So here, so people automatically take Radhaji means Prakriti. Radhaji Prakriti se bahut upar hai. She is much beyond Prakriti. She is actually Brahman herself. How? We will tell later. Now, for the time being, I'm telling you that Radhaji ko, if you want to see from the simple eyes, Krishna, when he wanted to reach all his bhaktas without any rules and regulations, because Gyan ke liye a rule chahiye, wo rule chahiye, you have to have your degree X, Y, Z. So Krishna said, now how do I do it? So he took out all his kripa, all his love, as I told you, and made a murti out of it, and that is Radhaji, who is full of compassion, who is love. It means unconditional love, means accept everyone who comes as they are and take them to the ultimate. That is why Radhaji is important. Anybody else will ask, kaha hai, kya hai, tumhara haysiyat hai ke nahi, adhikari hai ke nahi? All these questions are wiped out when you start with Radhaji's name itself. Don't think you have to go to Vrindavan. Whom will I ask? How to reach her? Just start taking her name and Kripa starts coming automatically because she cannot stop it. Actually, there's Radha Kripa Kataksh Stotra and Krishna Kripa Kataksh Stotra. दोनों को वृंदावन में लोग करते रहते हैं, है ना, to get her kripa. Written by Shivji himself, no other, not even a human being. This Radha Rani, Radha Kripa Kataksh is written. I don't know if somebody may be doing it also, but it's written by Shivji himself. So if Shivji is accepting Radhaji, where are we? And it's such a beautiful stotra. And then Krishna Kripa Kataksh is written by Adi Shankara. Again, the Adi Purusha of Gyan path ke liye, the greatest Acharya. Now they are talking about Bhakti. That means there is some very strong connection between Gyan and Bhakti. They are not separate. As you go further, okay, you may keep on doing only Bhakti. You will still come to Gyan. You will want to know what it is. What is the other side of it? है ना? तो ये करते करते राधा जी herself is slowly taking us towards the Gyan without our knowledge. By just doing Bhakti, you will come into Prem Lakshana Bhakti, which is just a play of words, which means Gyan. In a very beautiful way, very nice way, very entertainment way. So we don't have to worry about getting Gyan separately. Definitely not. तो राधा जी कृपा की मूर्ति, वो हमको चाहिए ही चाहिए. It's like just like having just the father to live with. Not that I'm not criticizing the father here. He is also full of, but they have separated their responsibilities. कुछ भी चाहिए तो if father might say no, we go to the mother, isn't it? Mama, mama, please, no, I want this, I want this. She will see somehow I will get it. So here Krishna tells Radha ji, please go to the world and just whomever you bring with you, I will accept them without any conditioning. So the whole stotra mein bhi yahi aata hai. How? In case Krishna says, whom have you got? So again, she just has to raise her eyebrows. And Krishna says, oh yeah, I remember my promise. I am taking them. And take them. You see, because first one has to go through Radha Rani and then to reach the Gyan. So, oh Radha in Gyan path, oh yes, Vivek, Vairag, Shat Shampati, Mumukshata, all these qualifications are needed, which is not needed here. That's why this becomes greater than just going through Gyan. Everybody cannot. Kali Yug mein to impossible to come back. The mind will keep on coming back to the body level. and body level पे this is not possible. So Radha Krishna very sweetly formed this strategy. हम नाचते गाते उनको हमारे रील में ले जाएंगे, and that is Vrindavan Bhakti. That is Vrindavan love, because there are no astra shastra here, no Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhari ban gaye Venu Murlidhari. He will only sing, he will only dance, and he will only accept because Radha Rani has brought them to him, and he has to do it. So राधा जी, and चलो ठीक, फिर प्रकृति कहाँ है? एक क्वेश्चन तो आएगा ही. Where is प्रकृति then? Every time you'll hear Ashtasaka, Ashtasaki, and Ashtapatrani. Everywhere is art, art, art. Ashta means art. Ashtada Prakriti. Prakriti also, when you say Prakriti Purush, when you go in, even in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 13th chapter, Ashtada Prakriti. There are 8 Prakritis, mainly from which the whole world is made. And that is Prakriti, right? So, Ashtada Prakriti kya hai? I'll just give one this thing. Mano Buddhi Hankara. We all know that song, so now you will never forget this.
Yeah.
These are the main 3. And Panch Mahabhut, which you will not forget. 5 elements with which the whole universe is made. And above them is Radha Krishna. Above them is Brahman. And Brahman has taken now 2 paths just to assist the people towards Gyan also, because finally Gyan has to be attained. Even the gopis, they were full of love. So for them, attaining Gyan was not at all difficult, because they were already prepared for it and they were already bestowed with it, I would say. I will give one little example, not example, real example. I had taken this in other class also once, but for others who have not heard it. We'll take 3 people. Karma mein, we will take Arjun from Gita. Not that he was karma ki adhikari, he was jnani only, but to show to people what is karma, how to get over how to get over this karma business and all that. So we are keeping Arjun there because it comes in Gita ji. And then for Gyan ke liye hum lenge Uddhav ji. He is the main jnani of Srimad Bhagavatam. And then Prem ke liye ab Gopi ke bina aur koi hai nahi. We cannot take anybody else. If you put them together, we will see Krishna only gave all 3 of them Gyan ki Updesh. For a karma yogi like Arjun ko ginenge, so as a karma yogi, he had to be told 18 full chapters of Gita. Finally, he said, Nashto moha smritir labdva. Tab smriti aayi unko. Smriti ki kripa tab hui. Means smriti yani knowledge. Smriti yani Vedas. Smriti means Vedant. So he had to be told 18 chapters in detail, everything. And then finally he said, Ha, nashto moh. Ab mera moh gaya, and I am ready to accept whatever you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Only then it came. Now we go to Uddhav ji. Uddhav ji se bada gyani है, दूसरे भी उनके जैसे है, उसके बड़ा ज्ञानी तो I don't know, because ज्ञान is ज्ञान, then there is no going beyond ज्ञान and all that. So he is also one of the topmost ज्ञानीs. Uddhav ji के लिए Shukdev ji has only one shlok in which you will know what is Uddhav ji. He was Brihaspati. Vrishni Nam Pravaro Mantri Uddhava Buddhi Sattama Shishyo Brihaspati Sakshat Uddhava Buddhi Sattama. Krishna se Daita Saka. Sorry. Who is Uddhav ji? Uddhav ji is Vrishniyon ke. Vrishni is what? Krishna's Vamshi is also called Vrishni Vamsha. So he was the main minister who is next to the king. He was the minister, main minister in the Vrishni Rajya. That was when Krishna ruled all these places. He was the main. And not only that, Krishna's Daita Sakha. He was a friend to Krishna. Sakha is friend. Daita Sakha, a lover friend. Lover means so fond of Krishna that whatever Krishna says is right for him. Is Tatsukhe Sukitvam. How will my Krishna become happy? Is his only this thing. So Daita Sakata, not an ordinary friend. Shishyo Brihaspati Saksha. Now Brihaspati ka Shishyata. Brihaspati is God's guru, na? We all know that. He was accepted as a Shishya. Brihaspati ji will not accept any Tom, Dick and Harry. So he was his Shishya, and uska buddhi tivrata, buddhi sattama. Sattama means the superlative tense used in Sanskrit for any word. So now he has all the qualities, and best was that he was Krishna's friend, loving friend. So ये उद्धव जी को हम ज्ञान के लिए रखते हैं इधर. Loving friend, but still he did not know what actual love is. He thought ज्ञान is everything. So we are keeping him for the ज्ञान. अब उद्धव जी के लिए, to get him to the ultimate ज्ञान, Krishna had to say the whole 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam. He kept on questioning. I would not say that he did not know, but you see, that love portion was not in him, for which he had to go to Braj. Krishna ne usko Braj bheja. Then Paripurnata aayi. Tab tak Paripurnata usme bhi nahi tha. So whole of the 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam had to be said before uska agyan ka padda. Finally, that thing had to come only after that. Now let's see the gopis. What is so great about gopis then? Only one shlok. एक ही श्लोक में उनका अज्ञान का पर्दा फट गया. And that also Krishna, they said only Krishna. If Krishna says, we believe. If Krishna says, we will do it. They will not even listen to anybody. They will go to Brihaspati ji and come back. Uddhav ji ko वापस ही भेज दिया प्रेम का पाठ सिखा के. So in only one shlok, Krishna had to just tell them, look, why are you crying for me? पहला उनको विरह दिया, और आके फिर when he came in that Srimad Bhagavatam, all this is in detail. When he comes back to that grahan hota hai na, Purna grahan. That time he comes to meet all the gopis, and he tells them only, he says, oh my God, they've already reached, and now they are going to become one with me. So, yeah. So he says, I'm only in everything.
I think looks like it's frozen again. So as you understood that, you know who Uddhav is. Uddhav is Krishna's friend, remember? Who went to Vrindavan, and when he saw the gopis, Uddhav's friend, what happened is that, Krishna used to be crying for the gopis, and Uddhav told him, I mean, what is this? Why don't they have some gyan? These gopis, why don't they have some gyan? Why don't they realize that all of us are the same? So Krishna said, okay, you go. And then, another thing Uddhav said that I've heard from the Kathakars, I'm not very sure if that comes in a scripture, but he said that ye kya baat hai? Ke, they are uneducated, and I'll just go and educate them about Gyan. And Krishna told Uddhav, they are not uneducated, they are beyond education. Seriously, he told them that. They are beyond. And when Uddhav came to Vrindavan to teach the gopis Gyan, the gopis told him, Man na bhaye do char. For us, we know only love. We don't have a mind to give to your intellect and a mind to give to this and a mind to give to that. We only know love. So we are not interested. And finally, Uddhav also had to admit defeat and this is what happens. You see, when a person is a real Jnani, then this is really what happens. So it looks like she has disconnected again. So never mind if she comes again. I think now we will just do the bhajan. Yeah. And then I think maybe a very happy Janmashtami to you. And what I say is that let us come for the kirtan, because see, this what you heard today was actually the Gyan part of Vrindavan, the Gyan part of what Vrindavan is all about, right? So I think Sitama, maybe you can complete.
Yeah,
that part.
sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
really
it's okay.
sorry.
No, it's okay.
It's
You get
going again in the
disconnected.
day.
So
Now
I'm
let's
filling
hope
in the
it's going
gap.
to be there.
I'm filling
Yeah.
in the gap. And then, but after you finish this, then before we get disconnected again, then maybe we will sing a bhajan. Yeah. And we still have time. So it's not a problem. Carry on, Sita.
Okay.
In a few minutes, then I will tell you. Okay.
Yeah. So we were at how, Gopi's love is again rated as the highest, because it took a second for them to become one with the Lord, which is supposed to be the ultimate in any case. So how did they get this love? Why are they so praised? That's why they are praised so much. This whole thing is in the Ras Panchayat. Shakun will be doing for you all in any case. But please be there with your Shraddha and don't come down to the body level. Don't bring Krishna and Radha to body level. ये आत्मा और परमात्मा का मिलन है. It is absolutely internal. Any adhyatmic talk, any talk of knowledge has to be only viewed with the third eye. I'm telling you, even if you don't have it, karte karte, you will start getting the third eye. It's not difficult. Don't worry. Just close. That's why they say close your eyes in Dhyan. So bahar na patke. And start trying to look at Krishna, Radha, whatever you want, Vrindavan, any Leela. Take one nice bhajan. Start visualizing it within. This is how you will get the Prema Lakshana Bhakti. It is not ordinary Bhakti again. I'll give you a few little introduction to what is Prema Lakshana Bhakti. Now, Bhakti. Bhakti can be Vedic Bhakti, normal Bhakti, and Prema Lakshana Bhakti. Vedic Bhakti is what the Brahmins come and do with rules and regulations, and this flower has to be offered with this mantra, this water has to be offered with this mantra, things like that, which none of the ordinary people will know, only a learned Brahmin will know. And he has to do it very, very perfectly, otherwise again phal nahi hai. So Vedic Bhakti is out for us. We come to normal Bhakti that we are all doing now. है ना? Shraddha se, Bhakti se. That's why Shraddha is important here. Even if you touch Gita, the last chapter before Moksha Sannyas is Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogo Nama. Saptadasho Adhyay. Saptam Adhyay mein finally Krishna says everything is useless if you don't have Shraddha. You may know this and you may do your bhakti, you may do X, Y, Z. But anything that is done without Shraddha is not going to beget the ultimate to you. So, Shraddha rakhe dakna. So, Vrindavan mein, everybody is full of Shraddha. Ye to hai. Otherwise, they would not be in Vrindavan, number one. And they're all telling Dasoham, not Soham. Dasoham. Gurudev says, start from Dasoham. Apne aap di kab nikal gaya, it will go by itself and you will be Soham. Yani, you will also reach the Gyan. Without khelte, gaate hue, nachte hue, you will get the same Gyan, which the Gyani has to do with pranayam, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana, all these 7 steps which the yogi has to take. We will get it in Vrindavan by just dancing, singing, and trying to get him in, trying to visualize his leelas. Aur kuch nahi. It is so much easier. Okay, ye bhi nahi ho raha hai. Just uska naam le lo na. Start with the name. Just with the name. If you do not get, okay, come and catch my throat also. I am going to be responsible for it. है ना? So start with the name. नाम क्यों? राम से बड़ा राम का नाम. We all have heard this. It's a very, very common this thing. कैसे बड़ा हो गया? भगवान ने एक बार, this is what I've heard from the saints. Now I'll be adding in that also. So, Nishita, disgusting, yeah. Sir, कोई न phone आ गया. Just touch it for me. How do I? Unmute. Yeah, unmuted. Sorry, Maya seems to be after us. So let's pray her. Ma, aap Yog Maya ban jao. I'll touch even that. What is Maya and what is Yog Maya? Mommy, so sorry. No, children are feeling so bad कि कहाँ आपको बिता दिया. But I said, what can you do? This is Maya का काम हो रहा है, तो we have no choice. Anyway, it's nice. Maya को प्रत्यक्ष अनुभव कर रहे हैं. Anything that's good happening, Maya has to come and butt in. Okay, so अब वृंदावन तो वृंदावन love. Without going to Vrindavan, how will I get? कैसे करूं? पहले ना, even when I joined, I thought Gurudev is in Vrindavan. The way he was doing Bhagavad and his guru from Vrindavan. So I said, Guruji, I just took Diksha and said, how, wow, now Bhagavad all the time and Vrindavan. And he takes me to Ganga ke kinare uska ashram tha. That was in Ramghat. I said, oh my God, we are all going to stay here? He said, yeah, what's wrong? I said, no, I want to be in Vrindavan. So from day one, I've been talking Vrindavan Jana, Vrindavan Jana, Vrindavan Jana. So one day he told me, Shraddha Ma, वृंदावन जाने से कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. तुमको वृंदावन को अपने दिल में लाना है. Bring it into your heart. As Shakun was telling, we have to bring things into our heart. Otherwise it will not happen. बाहर सब कुछ पड़ा है. Everything is there, but they will be there only. Until you bring Krishna into your heart, we will not get him. है ना? कृष्णा का फोटो है, कृष्णा का मंदिर है, कृष्णा का सब कुछ है, लेकिन मेरे अंदर नहीं है तो कुछ होने वाला नहीं. So you have to bring him to the heart, in short. So Gurudev told me, that time I didn't understand. Today I understand. I said, I took a vow when I finally went to Gurudev. I'm old now. I want to live in Vrindavan. I want to have inside, outside, whatever it is. I don't know heart ka baat. Abhi pata nahi. So finally I moved to Vrindavan, to my Dada Guru's ashram, and now I know what he meant at that time. And I took a vow, as usual. You know, we are all very spontaneous in sometimes we don't think. I said, now I will not leave Vrindavan. I will not leave Vrindavan for anything. And if I go anywhere, I have to come back by evening or nightfall. रात को मैं वृंदावन छोड़ूंगी नहीं. बस ले तो लिया. अब गुरुजी सामने थे तो I used to ask him, Guruji, I feel like doing this. Then he would make me understand and say the whole thing. Sometimes yes, sometimes why I should not make a vow. ये तो गुरुजी साथ नहीं थे, कर दिया. Now Guru Purnamai, so I went there and I told Gurudev, I'm going the same day back. I have to be back in Vrindavan before nightfall. He said, no, you are not taking anything like that, because he knew I'll be traveling and I'll be going, and that time this woman is going to have problems. So he said, you're going to start staying here. I am telling you to stay so that you break this. It's not stupid, but for you it is stupid because you're not in that state of this thing. So please break it. Stay here tonight. He said, I said, Guru, I was finding excuses there also. Gurudev, I have not bought my clothes. He said, I've got enough clothes in the ashram. Who fed you and clothed you all these years? All that is here. Don't worry. I said, Gurudev, I had not told them, so I won't get a room. He said, if they don't allow you, come into my room. You can stay in my room, but you're staying here. So then I fell at feet because I did not want to say no. Not that I was wanting to go back to Vrindavan. Still, I'm telling you. Anyway, that vow was broken. Today, I'm happy it's broken because I know I'll be going here and there and manto manta nahi. So bringing Vrindavan in the heart has helped me a lot. This is what he meant. Wherever you go, Vrindavan is with you. You don't have to be in Vrindavan to feel Vrindavan. वृंदावन की कृपा को अपने अंदर लाना है. वृंदावन की जो रानी है राधा जी को अपने अंदर लाना है. जो राजा है कृष्ण उसको अंदर लाना है. तो वृंदावन आ ही जाता है. It's not going to Vrindavan. They are there, yes. That Bhumi has a lot to give you, and it keeps giving. It keeps giving. But if you have to be somewhere else, don't worry at all. Just उनका नाम लो और बोलो कब मेरे ऊपर कृपा करेगी. बस इतना ही enough for the time being, and it will beget everything. What you have to do, what you don't have to do. कोई आएंगे, कुछ बताएंगे. There's nothing. I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, from bottom of my experience. You don't have to. इतना कृपा बरसती है उनकी. Then when it starts falling on you, you don't mind being anywhere. That's what the saints say, I don't mind being in hell if you are with me. I don't mean anywhere in this thing if you are with me. This is with me means we have to bring him in. He is with me. I have to feel it. So I have to start practicing. Yeah, he is there. कहते हैं ना ब्रह्म तो सर्वत्र समाना. He is in the जो little ant में है वो he was big elephant also. It's not big and small. He is everywhere equally. There is no iota of difference. But for me to experience it, I have to do all this sadhana. That is, they say in Vedantic words again, Prabhu Sarvatra Samana. In Ramayana, Tulsidas ji says, Prem se pragat hoya mai jana. What does Tulsidas ji says? He can be, oh, pragat ho jata hai. It is not Brahman, does not have hands and legs and this thing. He comes out in that vyakta. Nahi to I cannot see. As a bhakta, I want to see you. I want to feel you. I'm going to use all my inner Dhyan mein, chalo, control your indriyas, don't look out, don't do this, don't do this. Oh God, it's so difficult. Here we say, okay, I'm going to keep my eyes open. I'm going to listen to his flute. But everything will be concerned with him. And that is, to tumhara prakriti, all your indriyas are running towards him. Gokul, what is Gokul? Go yani indriya again in Sanskrit. Ukul, तुम्हारा जो गोकुल, तुम्हारे अंदर जो गोकुल है वो सब दौड़ रहा है कहाँ? कृष्ण के लिए, राधा के लिए. तब automatically you are the Gokul, and your little blue-eyed boy of that Vrindavan is in your own Vrindavan now. You are a Vrindavan yourself. You have got Radha in yourself. You have Krishna in yourself. Everything is there. You don't have to go to Vrindavan. The deeper you think of them, the deeper they are in you, and the more and more clear they become to your eyes. They do become, they have to become. This is their promise. It is not mine or anybody else's promise. And this promise is in the Shastras. So once the Shastra says something, just believe in it and start doing it. We do not know how many hurdles we have. We do not know what all I have to Antakaran. Yeah, this is where I'm coming to Antakaran Shuddhi. We all talk of this big, these are big words. Don't worry. Antakaran Shuddhi. Just cleaning the vessel before getting the milk into it. They are so pure. They cannot be there. It has to be clean. And I want my vessels to be the cleanest. नहीं तो फिर सिंह का दूध सोने के पात्र में ही टकेगा, नहीं तो फट जाएगा वो देने की तो भी. Somebody said, Gurudev, you have to give us the gyan. What is this? We can't do it ourselves. Guruji said, तुम्हारा पात्र जब तक गंदा है, मैं देने के लिए तैयार बैठा हूँ. लेकिन जब तक तुम्हारा पात्र गंदा है, ये दूध फट जाएगा. क्या करोगे उसको? You won't be able to. And I will be just wasting my energy trying to put it in patra. Patra shuddhi is very important. Not that they're not important. Radha Radha, Krishna Krishna, Vrindavan. धाम और धाम का अधिष्ठात्री देवता अलग नहीं है. They are one and the same. तद्धाम परमम मम. वो धाम भी परम है. निशिता. Okay. So so that is Antakaran Shuddhi ke liye thoda. Just touch it and go. What is Antakaran Shuddhi? Antakaran Shuddhi is all the mal and vikshep of the mind. What is mal? Mal is all this काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, ये सब है ना? And then मोह, ममता, ये विक्षिप्त करते रहते हैं. Means your mind is not steady. And Brahman will appear only in a steady mind. That is also said in the Veda. Even in the Bhakti, this is quietly said. Bale, you may be watching this thing dancing, but the mind is quiet. Mind is thinking of only one thing: Krishna, 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 or Radha, Radha. Any name you like, not only Radha Krishna. If anybody has Shiv as this thing, Shiv, no, Om Namah Shiva. Whatever, whichever, don't change your Ishta today, please. वही राधा है, वही कृष्ण है, वही शिव है, वही है. I have not come here to change your Ishta. I have not come here to change your Guru. I have not come here tapping this to change anything in your life. In the same format, you will get what you want. फिर राधा वही कैसे है? फिर again ज्ञान की importance है. तत्वतः राधा जी वही है. कृपा. That कृपा in your Ishta is Radha ji. Oh, your love in your Ishta is your Radha ji. Oh, Gyan in your Ishta is the Gyan. That's the father, and this is the mother. This is Ganga ji, and this is Yamuna ji. This is sun, and this is the moon. All these dualities are given for us to understand. Understand that this is one. They're all in one. They're all in your body. Surya bhi hai, Chandra bhi hai, Jamuna ji bhi hai, Yamuna ji bhi hai, Ida, Nada, Pingla. And then the Prem Swarup. So, Prem Lakshana Bhakti is only wanting the best for your Ishta. It may be Radha, it may be Shiv, it may be Mata, it may be your husband for a come to that level. Whomever, it may be Ganpati ji, it may be Surya Bhagwan, it may be anybody, but that is your Ishta, so he is everything for you. Then you get that knowledge. Then there is no difference between Radha and Krishna, and even I'm even going to the other religions of the world. Of the Muslim, Allah, he is that only. Unhe Allah keh diya to kya ho gaya? Let him call him Allah, it's no problem. Let me call him Krishna, no problem. Wahi hai. इसीलिए ज्ञान is important so that we don't start fighting with others like them. वो भले कुछ भी कहे, मेरे लिए तो वही एक तत्व है, वही एक तत्व. Give me the love. Accept me totally the way I am. Ma, there is nobody. Mother will take us in her lap, whatever it may be. That is Radha ji. Don't take her as just one figure. Krishna, no. Shakuni, can't hear you. Can't hear you. Can't. Nishita. Nishita.
Hello. Yeah, can you hear me now? Can you hear me
now? I can hear you. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are 2.5 minutes left. So completed, and we, for generally we always sing a bhajan after talking about Radha Krishna, but today the bhajans will be sung in the afternoon, 4:30. So keep singing in your mind, and also I'll meet you at 4:30. And the next 2 minutes we will get disconnected. So please, Sitama, continue and try.
Okay, so I'll just come to Maya part of it 1 second, because even that is another important component here. Maya kya hai? We all know. We are all the time we are saying, what is this Maya? वही माया जब हम राधा जी हमारे इष्ट का चरण पकड़ते हैं तो वही माया योग माया बन जाती है, like माँ पार्वती. And then that's why that Katyayani Vrat and all came. माँ का व्रत करना यानी वो योग माया अभी योग माया हो गई. योग माया is the one who assists us in taking us towards Krishna. आत्मैव आत्मन बंधुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. This is Gita's words. तुम्हारा आत्मा ही तुम्हारा बंधु है, तुम्हारा आत्मा ही तुम्हारा enemy है. If you take to Krishna, your atma will also take, because that's him itself. So it will take you towards your goal. And if you are vimukh, if you are against Krishna, you will also go towards the world more and more. So this Maya is of three. Vimukh Mohini Maya, Samukh Mohini Maya and love, that's prem. So Maya, Vimukh, all the world, people in the world, Bhagwan ne unko Vimukh kar diya, means they are turning against him. So don't even know who is what. They don't know what they are doing. They are running towards the world. That is Vimukh, means Bhagwan se Vimukh ho gaye, Bhagwan se unka face दूसरा type hai. How will they see what is happening? Can't hear.
We will get disconnected any minute now.
Yeah, yes. So that's about
Sita,
Maya.
I just
In
want to
Vrindavan,
thank
they
you.
are also in in Maya, but Samukh Mohini Maya. They are, Krishna has faced them towards them, but they are still, no, we want you, we want you, we want you. So that is, actually they are looking at Krishna. And this Maya will take